Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss some more concept of arrangement of molecules. To continuing from the last video, we are going to discuss about arrangement of molecules in a liquid. In last video discuss about arrangement of molecules in a solid. Arrangement of molecules in a liquid. As we know that in liquid molecules are less tightly packed. It is, remember, in that case tightly packed or very tightly packed in case of solid, but in this case less tightly packed. So it means what? It means there is a space between them. They can easily move up to certain limit. They can easily move. Yes, this is about liquid. That it is a common property, common behavior of liquid. Next, though, from this we consider some arrangement. Second, as the intermolecular space. Why? Because as compared to solid, intermolecular space in case of liquid, intermolecular space is large because they are less tightly packed. So attraction clear. Intermolecular space is large. That is why attraction between molecules is lesser. It is already discussed that if we increase the space, force decreases, or if we decrease the force, space increases. That is the second point. From this we conclude third point. Due to less force of attraction, molecules are unable to stay at a particular place. They try to move, because from kinetic theory we already discussed that molecules are always in continuous motion, or tend to try to become come into a continuous motion. So from that theory you can easily say that intermolecular space is large, attraction is less, so it is easier for them to move over here and there. They can easily lose their particular place. So in statement we can write down due to. I am simply writing the keyword. You have to read the complete statement given in your books. Due to less attraction, less force of attraction, or due to less attraction, do not stay at a particular place. Clear? Due to less, I missed the word force of attraction. Due to less force of attraction, molecules do not stay at a particular place. Why? Because force of attraction is less. Why force of attraction is less? Because they are less tightly packed. So all statements must be in order, and they are always interlinked with each other. If you change the order, your meaning of the answer somehow mismatched, somehow jumbled. So hope this one is clear. I am writing only the keywords. All of you must write the complete statement. Now next point is, fourth and fifth points are As from the third point we discussed that due to less force of attraction, they are unable to stay at a particular place. They easily change their places. So from that point, we have the fourth point. Fourth point says that as the position of molecules changes continuously, molecule changes or molecules not fixed, but perfect body easily changes. So therefore molecules of liquid shape of container. I hope you are able to see this last word. Container is there. Hope you are able to see on the screen. A little bit container part, some part is moved. Let me just a video. Now this one is visible to you. Molecules of liquid take the shape of the container. Now this one is clear. All points are interlinked with each other. From third point we can know that position of molecules easily changes. Now in fourth point we can say that if position of molecule easily changes, it is the reason that liquid take the shape of the container. Now fifth point says that but in this case number of molecules are fixed. Number of molecules of a liquid are same, not fixed. You can say word is perfect word, are same, means there is no change. So they have, it is a reason that liquid have different volume. Liquid have definite volume. This is the arrangement of molecules in a liquid. Arrangement of molecules in a gas is very easy. So you can try to understand that one by yourself. If you have faced difficulty, then message me. Okay, that's all for this type of arrangement. Move to the next topic. Now we are going to discuss about surface tension. As you are observing on left hand side of the screen, surface tension. What is the meaning of surface tension? Tension applied by surface. Generally this is always occur in case of liquid. The upper surface, the top surface of the liquid, whether it's in the container, in a bucket, or on the, it's a pond or water of liquid of pond or river, but easily seen or feel in case of liquid present in a container. If we try to insert our palm normally, means perpendicularly on a surface of the inside the water, there is a light, there is a feeling that liquid try to oppose to insert the palm inside the liquid body. This force, this opposition, opposing the palm, opposing the entering any foreign object inside the liquid body, is known as your surface tension. Surface tension is always applied by the exposed surface or top surface of the liquid. Your definition says the phenomenon due to which exposed surface of a liquid contained in a vessel behaves like a stretched membrane is called surface tension. For example, take a bucket of water, clear, or a large tub of water, and take a mug, small mug is there, invert the mug likewise and try to insert that mug, just inverted mug, inside the tub filled with water. What happened? That water opposing a force to insert that mug inside the liquid, inside its body. This behavior, this opposing force applied by the upper surface of the liquid or water in this case is known as your surface tension. Hope this one is clear to you. In next video we discuss deeply in surface tension. That's all for this video. Thank you.